1:30 बजे का शूट था। टेंशन के मारे मैंने तो कुछ नहीं खाया था। फिर होना क्या था, एसिडिटी। लेकिन अब वीडियो तो डालनी है, लेकिन एसिडिटी में शूट। कुछ फर्क तो नहीं पड़ा, बस एक डकार आया था। How often do we go to a chemist shop to quickly fix a problem? For this video, I visited a few chemist shops to find out the most frequently bought products by Indians. After thoroughly researching, I have selected 5 products at the chemist shop that deserve your immediate attention. I am highly impressed by some of these, while others are not worth your hard-earned money. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. Before I reveal the products, I want to assure that none of the product owners or their competitors have paid me. Just like you, I am a consumer looking to buy genuine products for me and my family. Starting with number 5 on the list is Move. Move is almost synonymous with pain relief in India, isn't it? But is it worth the tag? Let's check the ingredients. 25% of its ingredients are herbal and taken from Bhav Prakash, which explains why it is so effective. However, the 75% of ingredients which are used to give it a texture that it has are hidden. They can be synthetic or toxic. If they are safe, then why hide them? So why take a risk when we can apply something 100% natural to get an instant relief? In the same chemist shop, Himalaya's pain relief oil is a safe bet. Very clearly, they have mentioned the complete ingredients. In a base of sesame oil, they have concocted some of the effective pain relieving herbs. Quite smart and impactful. This also gives us an idea that many brands use active Ayurvedic herbs, but just to give a creamy texture, use synthetic chemicals. For the same reason, do not fall for Himalaya's muscle and joint rub. Using herbal oils is a smart choice not just for the manufacturer but also the health of the patient. Ayurveda's classical oil in this regard is the Mahanarayan oil. Carefully prepared with over 50 herbs in a base of sesame oil, milk and shatavar juice, it is remedial for most arthritic disorders. So I guess it's time to change your personal pain relief specialist. Number 4 on the list is Isabgol. Suffering from constipation? Take Isabgol. Suffering from diarrhea? Take Isabgol. Isabgol is one of the most popular and widely used in Indian homes to treat digestive issues. But is it really good for your health? Isabgol is the husk of the psyllium plant, and because it swells inside the body, it is among the best bulk laxatives. For constipation, Isabgol is to be taken with warm milk. For diarrhea, it is recommended with curd, and for acidity, it is advised with cool water. Yes, it can be used, but just as a short quick fix. For example, if the button of your shirt is broken, it can be quickly fixed by a safety pin. But would you depend on this temporary solution or sew a new button? The answer is obvious. Similarly, Isabgol doesn't give you the license to have an unhealthy diet and lifestyle. It can be used on a temporary basis, usually for not more than 3 to 4 days. Ayurvedic scriptures warn that if Isabgol is consumed daily over a long period of time, it can reduce the digestive capability, weaken the nerves, and may induce body pains. Fixing the diet and lifestyle is what will ultimately heal such problems. Overall, Isabgol is a helpful product in the Indian market. Just use it wisely. Number 3 on the list is BoroPlus. Got a minor cut while cutting vegetables? Injured yourself while playing? BoroPlus is the popular choice. But is it really Ayurvedic and herbal as the front label promises? The answer, as always, lies at the back. Carefully going through its ingredients, yes, it does have some of the most effective antiseptic herbs. However, that is only half the composition. The rest half is hidden in the ointment vehicle, which is the base which was used to give it a cream-like texture. Skin is body's largest organ and it absorbs chemicals through its small pores. And when you apply them on cuts, the penetration becomes easier. Why would you want to apply something which hides 50% of its ingredients, especially when a 100% natural option is available? No, I'm not talking about Boroline, another trusted antiseptic cream which has just 4% Ayurvedic ingredients. Disappointing are the toxic petroleum products like mineral oil and paraffin wax. More so, it also has a synthetic fragrance. If I had to say 2 herbs which are naturally antiseptic, they would be aloe vera and neem. In fact, most commercial creams use them as active ingredients. So you can use aloe vera gel or neem oil on cuts and wounds and see them healing. If you're looking for an ultimate Ayurvedic formulation for cuts and wounds, nothing comes close as Jati Adi oil. Made using 18 herbs in a base of sesame oil or ghee, it can be used externally for any degree of cuts, wounds, rashes or insect bites. It is a classical formulation and you can choose any brand. Even price wise, it's quite competitive. Try it once. Number 2 on the list is Benadryl. In case of a cold, cough or a sore throat, we often tend to get our hands on the Benadryl cough syrup. Obviously because it is effective. But if something works, does it mean that it is safe too? No, right? What makes Benadryl cough formula effective is its alcohol content. Along with it, it has salts for faster action. What's overlooked, however, are the synthetic colors and an artificially flavored base used. Wouldn't it be better if we can cure coughs as fast but without alcohol or any potential side effects? Surely it is. Ayurveda identifies certain herbs which are capable of giving an instant effect. Remember, our grandmothers would always give us a mulethi stick to suck its juice and that would give us an instant relief? Or she would prepare a kada for us, carefully choosing herbs like tulsi and ginger. Well, an Ayurvedic replacement to Benadryl at the same chemist shop can be Himalayas Coughlette, a cough syrup made using herbs like draksha, tulsi, mulethi, giloy and vidanga. Surprisingly, Himalaya has done a good job in formulating this cough syrup. Hamdard's Joshina is another option, a Unani formulation which uses flax seeds, amaltas, dama booty, tulsi, mulethi and various other herbs. They do come with preservatives, but that is acceptable. So next time, instead of an alcohol-based syrup, try these natural ones and get well soon. Number 1 and the final product on the list is ENO. ENO, a popular remedy for acidity, is well known for its 6 seconds burp challenge. But is this challenge worth a pick or a skip? Let's dig in. Regular ENO is a combination of purified sodium bicarbonate and citric acid. When taken, their combination acts as a mild antacid and releases gas in the form of carbon dioxide. Is it healthy? Once in a while, just as a quick fix, it's okay. Although making a habit out of it and consuming ENO again and again will actually increase the acidity. It's like a chain reaction. For instant relief, Ayurveda recommends a cup of cool milk or sweet buttermilk. As discussed, even psyllium husk is an option. However, they aren't replaceable to a fresh and homely diet which is not too spicy. I have already shared with you foods to avoid and foods to take in acidity. Needless to say, ENO's flavored versions are worse. They mention fruit salt, but there isn't an iota of fruit in it, just artificially flavored. So always pick the regular one. So friends, these were the 5 products available at the chemist shop which I felt needed your attention. Found this video helpful? Would you want me to make another part of this series? If yes, then do let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Are you suffering from frizzy and weak hair? Check out Mamaearth's Argan Hair Mask. Enriched with argan, avocado oil and milk protein, it is made from 100% toxin-free ingredients without any artificial fragrance. The company recommends it for men and women of all hair types. To use it, part your hair in 2 halves. Take a generous amount of the hair mask and apply it evenly from root to tip. Leave the mask for 15 to 25 minutes before washing it off with a sulfate-free shampoo. For extra dry and frizzy hair, use it twice a week. To buy Mamaearth's Argan Hair Mask, click on the link down in the description box. Do not forget to apply the special discount coupon to get 21% off on your order. So friends, that's all for this video. You can now support my work by clicking on the join button below. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. You can also follow me on Instagram. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.